Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Before solving this question, we have to know that what are complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then you can say that they are complementary angles. Here you see that one angle is 20 degree, right? That means the sum of two angles should be 90 degree. That means another angle should be 70 degree. 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 degree, right? Therefore, you can say that complement of a angle is equal to 90 degree minus that given angle, right? I will write that complementary angles. You can write. You can solve in this way. We know that complementary angle, the sum of two angles should be 90 degree. Therefore, complementary angle is written as complementary angles complementary angles complementary complementary angle is equal to 90 degree minus given angle. 90 degree minus given angle, because if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, only then you can say that the angles are complementary to each other. 90 degree minus given angle, right? Therefore, we can say that complement of 20 degree, complement of 20 degree complement of 20 degree complement of 20 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. That is 90 minus 20 70. Therefore, the complement of 20 degree is 70 degree. Number 2, complement of 63 degree. Complement of 63 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. That will be equal to, you see there is 90 degree minus 63 degree. That is 7, 6 1 plus 7, 2 9, 2. That is 27 degree. Therefore, the complement of 63 degree is 27 degree. Right? Now, question number 3 is complement of 57 degree. Complement of 57 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree minus 57 degree. That will comes to, if you subtract 57 from 90, you will get minus 57 degree. Then you will get 3 carry 1 plus 6 7 9 33 degree. Therefore, the complement of 57 degree is 33 degree. 33 degree. Right? This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.